Okay, welcome back. You're with us here on Bazaar Morning Call. Well, 13 minutes to go for the pre-open session. Anuj is here with a quick check on things. Anuj, morning.
Morning, Prashant. You know what? We have two markets within this market. One is for the large caps and one is for the mid caps. Let me just show some graphics on the wall. What the market has done. Now, this is interesting. This is Nifty. Look at what Nifty has done this month. It's down 1.8%, and this year it's up 7%. This year has been okay. 4 bad months, 4 good months, then a consolidating month. But look at what the mid cap has done. This month it's up 2.2%. That means a 4% outperformance versus the index for the month and a 15% outperformance for the year. This year it's up 22%. And same with the small cap index, up 22% for the year. Big outperformance compared to the large caps. And I think if you see it in terms of other indices, what they are doing, Nifty Bank is the problem point. It's actually down 3.6% this month, and this year it's up only 2%. And just look at this comparison. This is HDFC Bank versus IDFC First Bank, just to explain the dichotomy between the large caps and mid caps from perhaps the biggest stock in the market, HDFC Bank, which is down 4% this month and 3% this year, and compare that to an IDFC First Bank, which has risen 5.5% for this month and 56% for the year. So that really has been the trend for this month and for this year as well. Now let's talk about today's trade. Because that's what a lot of people want to hear. The levels that I'm tracking, the first support on the Nifty is 19,334, which is the 50-day moving average. If the GIFT Nifty is right, we'll start somewhere around there. And the bigger support, of course, is 19,253, which has been the series low that we hit, I think, on the 16th of this month. The first resistance is at 19,443, which is yesterday's high. And the 20-day moving average has been proving to be big resistance, 19,550. That's the level to track. I think the bigger problem is with the Bank Nifty, which is clearly now in a sell-on rally texture. Till 44,205 is crossed. Even yesterday, it hit 44,151, and from there it slipped and gave you about 150, 160 points on the downside. Again, the first resistance is 44,151, which was yesterday's high, and the bigger resistance is 44,200, which is the 20-day moving average. Till that is crossed, I think there's a problem for the Bank Nifty. The first support is 43,860, going by the options data, where you have a decent build-up at 44,000 put. And the bigger support is the 43,750, the 100-day moving average mark. It's the rising 100-day moving average, which the Bank Nifty has been defending. But really, the conviction is much less on the Bank Nifty. And that's been in a sort of sell-on rally mode. On the Nifty, let's see. It's a contracting market. At some point, this range will break. But for now, we are in this range of 19,250 to 19,550.
Okay, got that. Thank you very much, Anuj, for the take on the way things are sort of set up today.